Hi everybody, welcome to the new quick look video. Today we're gonna look at the Nishiyama Ladies Meijin versus Fukuma title match game 1 with special commentary of Leo. And we're gonna look at this position where Fukuma just played this lance jump and now Nishiyama is the one to defend. She actually rebuilt her whole Mino castle. In this position, Fukuma has a bishop in hand, so practically speaking she has 3 big pieces. But it's not really clear how she can continue attacking. In the future, Nishiyama will drop this pawn, pick up this knight, and start marching it toward the king. What can we do to oppose that? If you wanna find the next move, please pause the video here. And the move that was played was bishop drop to 7-6. The idea is that we take off this pawn and exchange of this gold, which will give us a nice attack on the king. The less generals there is, the better the attack. And even though we're giving up this very strong piece, defending using that piece would be very, very hard. So it's a good attack, but it doesn't stop here. Nishiyama has a great defense. Drop of the gold on 6-8. This, of course, prevents taking of this pawn as it's 2 versus 2. What would you do here? The next move is super, super crucial. If you wanna think, pause the video. And the answer is 7-9 horse. Very, very calm and quiet move. Even though Shogi is an explosive game, in Shogi sometimes those quiet moves let us to gather more power and punch even stronger. So in this case, after pawn drop, we can come in with the dragon, and now we have really nice attack on this gold. There is a defense, and the next move again was a very hard one to find. If you find the next move, I'll be very impressed. There is one in between move played before that. So the next move played was pawn 5-6 pawn takes, in between move, and the crucial move would be pawn drop 8-6. No, it's not the pawn drop 5-7, pawn drop 8-6, and we have a traditional Tokin race. Long story short, basically both Tokins came close, and in the end, this gold move was very crucial because in this moment the lance was able to run, join the attack. As we said, the pieces were very limited in the attack. This gave Satomi the final punch, a very clear advantage. Although the game was a little bit long, I really recommend you guys watch it on Shogi Live. Really nice ending, really nice tsume from Fukuma. And thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Any last word, Leah? Hi everyone, welcome to the Hi. And thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. I will see you. Thank you. Let's go into bloopers.